This is a follow-up to the video I made about this Sunken Seas Mercury 30 horsepower. And as I said, it was running fine on the muffs, but what happened is once I took it out into the water with 2 or 3 guys in it and some kids, it just would not reach full revs. Now what I've discovered is that there was fuel coming out of the top of this vapor separation tank here and into the air vent here, and then out of this flood hose and down and out through the bottom of here. Now I've pulled the vapor separation tank apart, checked the float and the little needle and so on, and that's all fine. So what I've actually done now, and before that, as part of the first part of the exercise, I'd replaced the high pressure fuel pump. Now, because it's flowing out of here, my thought is that it's possibly this fuel pressure regulator. So that's it there, if you can see the part number, and that's what it looks like. So what I've done now is I've pulled the vapor separation tank off, and it's pretty easy. There's just a bolt here and another bolt down there and a few connections and so on that you've got to do. You do have to replace a couple of these hose clamps, or these with hose clamps, because they're like these permanent ones that you see here. That's the permanent one which I had to replace there, but other than that, it's a pretty simple exercise, and I'm not sure if you can see in there, but anyway, this little this fuel pressure regulator just sits in the top there, just behind this yellow switch, and obviously it regulates the fuel pressure. So I've replaced that now, and again the motor's running fine on the muffs, so I'm going to put it all back together and put it in the water and see how we go. As you can see, the outboard's running really well now. So if you've got similar problems with gas or fuel coming out of your VST or vapor separation tank, then a good place to start is with that fuel pressure regulator. So hopefully if you've got similar problems, this has been a useful video.